Guys, today is Challenge Yourself Saturdays and I'm going to go through a haircut on myself, eyes closed. I'll be giving myself a temple fade on the side and I'm going to close my eyes. I won't see what I'm doing. I just want to see what type of haircut I can produce for myself blindfolded. Have I got the skills? Do you believe I can do a good job? Well, whether you believe it or not, just stay locked in and keep watching because I'm going to go through this haircut right now.
Yeah, and it's Slidercuts. Come on. S to the L to the I to the D to the E to the R to the cuts. I'm doing alright. If your hairline's missing, Slidercuts will fix it.
Can you see my eyes are closed? You know, my eyes are closed. Hopefully I'm still in the lens. Comb my hair out. I'm just challenging myself, guys. I'm just challenging myself. So, temple fade. So I'm gonna have to do a lot of feeling. So, skin line. If I mess up my hair, boy. I don't know what I'm doing right now. Well, I do know what I'm doing. So I'm putting the clipper trimmer down. Now I'm trying to find my other trimmers. All right, I've got my clipper here. Feeling it, this is the number one. Yep. Oh no. All right, I've dropped my number one. My eyes are closed, but you must allow me to open up my eyes to pick up the number one, right? So I've opened up my eyes now to pick up my number one. Okay, someone picked it up for me.
Eyes closed.
Cut my hair, my eyes closed. Dusting it off. Well, it's not a talent yet. My brother was saying, you know, what a talent, but it's not a talent yet because it could come out horribly wrong. Put the number one on. All right, so yeah. Feeling it? Okay, this is where I'm gonna reduce the area. I hope you guys can still see me. All right, yeah. Let's start off light. Let me keep my number one here on me so I don't lose it. Again. 1.5. Come, I'm assuming, I think I can feel it, I think the skin line's there. It'll come from underneath the skin line, come up and flick out. Let me just gradually do it. I'm not gonna shake myself up, guys. I'm definitely not gonna try that. Here's the number one. How's it looking, guys? I don't actually know because I'm just, you know, I have no clue how it's looking. Okay, let's drop down to the open blade. Just feeling the area. Just open blade. Hopefully, I think I'm flicking through the line. It's weird because I'm like, I cannot really see what's going on. And now I'm like, right, what does it look like right now? If I had my eyes open, I'd know what I was doing, but... Oh, that was a bit too hard of a flick. I almost feel like, did I just patch something there? I don't know. You guys know, but I don't know. Close it a little bit. I'm just gonna work out this line at the bottom if I'm on the line. I think that's where the line is. Close it a little bit more. Close a bit more. All right, I have no clue what it's looking like right now, right? With what I've even done. So what I'm gonna do, guys, instead is I'm gonna reset. Meaning I'm gonna start again and go through the steps. So I'm gonna go with a 1.5 and I'm just gonna lower this area. Then come from underneath, go through, and flick out. Just reset. All right, put the 1.5 down. Find the 1. You should know what your gauges feel like, you know. That's not even the hard part. I can feel, you know, what a number 1 is, a 0.5 gauge is, a 1.5, and number 2. But I guess from when it comes to like 2, 3, that's where they get difficult. All right. Number 1. Oh, that felt like I went too high. Alright, come from underneath here. Try to give myself a temple fade. Put the number 1 down. Where's my brush gone? I should have.
Maybe I seen it alright before you knock it off.
Thanks. All right, I don't know what I've done here, right? I'm gonna open up my eyes to see it. How's it looking, Elliot, before I open up my eyes?
Huh?
Is it looking like a big mess?
No.
All right, guys.
You only got the bottom to do. Other than that, it's good for you.
Okay, maybe I should carry on then.
You just gotta fade out the line, that's it.
Oh, I can't feel where the line is. All right, Elliot's starting to feel that line. So let me keep going. Here. Just challenging myself, guys. Just challenging myself. What's the purpose of this? Just challenging myself. Trying to stretch my skills. Also, guys, you can give me challenges yourself. Like, ask me to do challenges. Doesn't mean I'm gonna do all of the challenges, but you know, some of them I might. Like another one I'll do is I'll cut with my left hand, and that's a challenge, but that's a challenge that actually helps you to, you know, develop. All right, hopefully can't see, so I'm gonna open up my eyes, guys, and see how this haircut has gone. So my eyes are still closed, I still haven't seen it. I don't know how it looks, so you guys can see it. So yeah, 3, 2, 1, eyes open.
So he asked me how low.
Oh, it's not a bad job.
I said at the endless, and he said, "What do you mean the endless?"
It's not a bad job, guys.
It's smooth.
It's not. What do you guys think? I think it's decent, to be fair.
I think you should be quiet, but life goes on.
No, I think it's decent, guys. Look, check it out. That was with my eyes closed, fully eyes closed. I can see where I can improve it 100%. But challenge yourself. I've challenged myself. I gave myself a haircut with my eyes closed, and look what I produced. Decent.
You should offer someone a trim like with your eyes closed.
I should offer to cut someone's hair with their eyes closed.
With your eyes closed.
With my eyes. Who wants to come and get a haircut with my eyes closed? It's decent. All right, guys, rate it. What do you think, guys? Challenge yourself. I'm gonna finish the haircut quickly right now. Well, this side anyway. I'm gonna finish the haircut right now. So, with my eyes open. But what do you think of it? How do you think I've done? I'm quite gassed that I've done a decent job like that. Thumbs up to myself. All right, let's get into the rest of the haircut and finish fading it. It's a decent job. Come on, look at that.
Should get more often.
If you like this video, please subscribe so you can see more videos and click that bell notification because that will notify you every time I post a video. If there's any videos you would like me to post, then please leave it in the comments and I'll do my best to get in around to doing it. You've been in the cut with Slidercuts. I'll see you guys next week because every Sunday I put videos up to do with vlogs, days in my life, tutorials, advice, business advice, and so much more. So come back next week and see you then. Peace.